Understanding the phrase, bond of unity. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, bond of unity. This phrase is not just a set of words but a concept that carries deep significance in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, bond and unity. The word bond refers to a connection, link, or tie that holds things together. It implies a sense of strong relationship or attachment. On the other hand, unity means the state of being united or joined as a whole. When we combine these two words, the phrase bond of unity symbolizes a strong and enduring connection that brings people or elements together, creating a sense of oneness or harmony. To understand better, let's look at some examples. In a family, the bond of unity might be the love and mutual respect that keeps everyone together. In a team, it could be the shared goals and teamwork that create a bond of unity among the members. At a national level, the bond of unity could refer to the shared values and cultural heritage that unite the citizens. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. The team's success was due to the strong bond of unity among its members. Despite their differences, the community displayed a remarkable bond of unity during difficult times. Understanding synonyms can also help grasp the meaning. Some synonyms for bond of unity include solidarity, cohesion, harmony. In conclusion, the phrase, bond of unity, is a powerful expression that illustrates the strength found in togetherness and mutual support. Whether in personal relationships, teams, or societies, fostering a bond of unity can lead to remarkable outcomes. We hope this explanation has been enlightening and useful for your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.